Alright, well it's Christmas and we're going to make Tom and Jerry's.
Goody.
Okay, so we got 6 eggs, 2 bowls. We're separating out the egg whites from the egg yolks.
We don't have to clean the beaters to do the yolks. You do your whites first. So
do the whites first, and then do the yolks?
And then do the yolks, and then that way you don't have to clean that.
Clean that? Because it has to be clean for the...
You're not beating them stiff with the yolks, you're just...
But the whites you are.
But the whites you are.
6 egg yolks.
We have the recipe right there.
6 egg whites.
That's about a pound. Oh, good.
Half of a 2-pound bag.
Okay.
So...
Let's see.
So it's a half a pound in the whites and then a half a pound in the yolks?
Yeah, and then you can mix it together. That's pretty good. But you want to get the whites pretty stiff before you start putting the powdered sugar in.
Okay. How do you know when it's done?
When it's very, very, very thick.
Okay.
It's slowly getting there. Oh, that's good. Oh, see this? See how that holds?
Yeah.
That's when you know it's ready.
Oh.
It holds like that.
Okay, that's the secret right there.
But yeah. But that's where you beat it until you get it. Oh, but I've got to beat this in.
You're just scooping the edge of the sugar in?
Yeah, I'm just making sure I have all that in the bowl in there. And get it down off the bottom. So that's...
It's starting to look familiar.
Yeah. Needs to be just a little thicker. The yolks might be just enough to do it, but I'm going to beat it a little bit more.
So it's kind of standing up on its own in there?
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to do. It's really doing everything just like it's supposed to right now.
Oh, good.
Because that's a good consistency, and then beating the yolks and putting it in will stiffen it up just the right amount. But it'll start losing some of its thickness if it sits too long. You know, that's why I kind of like to make it just about the time everybody's...
Oh, okay. Well, I'll start on it right away.
Yeah, me too. I may not get anything else done, but...
But at least we had our Christmas Tom and Jerry.
Yeah.
So you're going to beat it some more?
Yeah. No, you don't have to wash it at all because it's all going back into that one.
Okay.
And then I'll fold that one into this one.
Okay.
And this one gets a little thicker because it's the yolk.
Alright, so how thick does that have to get? Not very?
Yeah, it just needs to be really well beaten,
Okay.
which it is, you know. And it'll somewhat thicken up that. We're just beating it to make sure it's really...
And the sugar was already in there, you didn't have to sprinkle it?
Yeah. And it doesn't make any difference how much you put in. But it helps.
So we used about a pound of powdered sugar for the whole thing?
Use a pound of powdered sugar. And I think I put that in the recipe. So.
And 6 eggs. Okay, so now we're going to fold it together? I want to see this.
Yeah. I'm just going to gently fold it because we don't want it to... We just want to get it mixed in, but we don't want to have it.
We're not going to whip it all together.
No, we just fold in at this point, because otherwise the yolks will make this turn runny again.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It won't be. It won't
be,
stand up.
Yeah.
by itself?
So it wouldn't be as good. It'll start separating.
Oh, maybe that's what I did wrong.
Yeah, the stiffer you can get the egg whites, the better off you are.
And nothing's cooked. It's all just raw
Right.
eggs and yolk.
Right.
So you just do it till it all looks the same color?
Yeah.
So you don't
No,
see
it's all
yellow
mixed.
and white separate?
Yeah. So it's all smooth and mixed in. And let's see, we have the hot water on.
The big spoon.
I think we
and hot
have to do a taste test.
Oh, okay. Should I go get the rum and brandy?
Yeah. That'd be perfect. And I'll put that in a prettier bowl. For this one.
So there's
Is
the
that
rum.
rum.
There.
You got it, Cam?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then half a shot of brandy.
Yeah. And you know, if you have bigger cups, then you add a little more.
Well, Dad used to pre-mix the rum and brandy
Yeah, he
into
did.
into a
That-
bottle. So
that
you
was
just
a lot
put
faster.
then you just put one shot of the mixture.
There's
Yeah.
one
So-
here.
Cam, this is that bottle.
Oh, there's the 2-to-1.
Finish off the light. What do you mean? That's just like, isn't that light rum? Or is that mixed?
No, that's the mixture.
Oh yeah, that's 2-to-1 on rum. Okay,
Yeah.
2 rum and 1 brandy.
It's got to wash it in.
Dad's handwriting on it right there.
Okay. Might have too much water in it, but it tastes just good. It tastes
Good batter?
like, pretty much like what we
All right.
So you guys can come and help yourself if you want.
Lovely one, your sweet, exquisite loveliness is ever haunting me. My lovely one, your voice will still be echoing through all the years to be. I can't forget that you